has issued Tornado Watch number 25, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following counties in Illinois, Iroquois, and Kankakee. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This actual severe weather alert of 2024.
The 8 to 14 day outlook.
Oh my god.
Remember, a tornado
Is the phone working? Okay.
favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch. This is NOAA All-Weather Radio KG 193 some of the climate crisis. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 27, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Henry and Randolph. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 27, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Wednesday. This watch includes the following: Indiana, Henry, and Randolph. Remember, a tornado watch.
We doing this again?
At 1:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Danville to 10 miles southeast of Greencastle, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicator. The following impacts are expected. The hail damage to vehicles is expected. Morgan County, Northern Johnson County, Hendricks County, Northeastern Illinois. The thunderstorms will be near Danville, Clayton, Hummel, Stuyvesant, Dale Union, Eminence, and Little Point around 1:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Plainfield, Brownsburg, Avon, and Monrovia around 2 a.m. Eastern. Radar indicated correct. The following impacts are expected. Claremont and Lake Hart around 2:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Danville, Clayton, Hummel, Stylesville, Dale Union, Eminence, and Little Point around 1:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Plainfield, Brownsburg, Avon, and Monrovia around 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Indianapolis, Speedway, Mooresville, Claremont, and Lake Hart around 2:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Glendale, Spring Hill, Indianapolis International Airport, Eagle Creek Reservoir, and Canby around 2:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Meridian Hills, Rocky Ripple, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, Broad Ripple, Indiana State Fairgrounds, Monument Circle, Greenwood, Lawrence, Beach Grove, Southport, Warren Park, Holmcroft, Williams Creek, and Castleton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 60. Now here is the mile markers 92 and 126. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 202. Interstate 70 between mile markers 40 and 93. Interstate 74 between mile markers 64 and 100. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm thunderstorm warning for northern Shelby County, Hancock County, northwestern Rush County, east central Morgan County, northern Johnson County, southwestern Henry County, eastern Marion County, until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and 2:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from your Lawrence and near Greenwood to 6 miles northeast of Martinsville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Shelbyville, Carmel, Fishers, Greenwood, Lawrence, Franklin, Greenfield, New Castle, Beech Grove, Martinsville, Southport, New Whiteland, Cumberland, McCorbsville, Whiteland, Bargersville, Fortville, Knighttown, and New Palestine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for central and east central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hancock, Henry, Johnson, Marion, Morgan,
Rush, Marion, Johnson, Hancock, and Henry counties. Those in cover now. Bear in mind, this batch of storms has potential for hail the size of pennies, and winds up to 60 miles an hour are likely. Stay tuned for additional updates. I'm meteorologist Derek Height.
Johnson County, southwestern Henry. Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Shelby County, Monroe County, southern Morgan County, southern Johnson County, northwestern Brown County, northeastern Knox County, southeastern Owen County, north central Martin County, northwestern Lawrence County, Greene County, northern Davies County, until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles northwest of Bloomington to near Spencer to 7 miles southwest of Bloomfield, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bloomfield, Hilletsville, Steinsville, and Salisbury around 3:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bloomington, Martinsville, and Marlaysville around 3:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Morgantown, Indiana University, and Whitehall around 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This includes also likely to severe thunderstorms will be near Bloomfield, Hilletsville, Steinsville, and Salisbury around 3:05.
it's about
is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bloomfield, Hilletsville, Steinsville, and Salisbury around 3:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bloomington, Martinsville, and Marlaysville around 3:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Morgantown, Indiana University, and Whitehall around 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 86 and 92. Interstate 74 between mile markers 112 and 113. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
It never ends.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Shelby County, central Rush County, southeastern Henry County, until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:06 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Castle to near Rushville to near Franklin, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expect Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicating flight. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Newcastle, Yorkville, Lawrenceville, Dawn, Villiers, Maine, Windward, and Arlington around 3:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Shelby County, Central Rush County. Siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near. For your protection, move to an exterior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch. 60 miles per hour wind gust. AM Eastern Standard. The following impacts are expected.